Welcome back to Dish and Nutrition. Today I am showing you how to make delicious and so addicting mini protein cheesecakes. These cheesecakes have around 9 grams of protein per serving. These are hands down one of my favorite healthier desserts. These mini cheesecakes are a healthier alternative to regular because they have less fat, higher protein, and are made with Greek yogurt instead of sour cream. First, preheat the oven to 350 degrees. To make the crust, we're going to take a food processor and add about 10 crushed graham crackers. Pulse until they are crumbs. Then add the melted butter and pulse until it is well combined. Divide the crumbs evenly among the muffin liners. Then use a spoon or your fingers to flatten into crust. Bake the crust for 5 to 6 minutes. Remove and let cool about 5 to 10 minutes. While that is cooling, let's make the filling. Add the cream cheese in a large mixing bowl and beat with a handheld electric mixer until it's smooth. Add Greek yogurt, egg, sugar, lemon juice, vanilla extract, and arrowroot powder. Mix again until smooth for about 30 to 60 seconds. Add the mixture on top of the crust in each muffin liner. Bake 17 to 20 minutes. Let cool 30 minutes at room temperature, then chill in the fridge for at least 3 hours before enjoying. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until next time.